My brothers and sisters, I apologize if this video takes a long time, but if you listen to this video carefully, you will benefit a lot. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you all. Dear brothers and sisters, we all yearn for success, that feeling of accomplishment and fulfillment in this life and the next. The Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, offer a beautiful roadmap to navigate this journey. Today, we'll explore some key principles that can lead us towards extraordinary success, both worldly and spiritual. Success in the Quran. The Quran uses the word falah, success, throughout its verses. Let's ponder upon a few. Allah says in the Quran, "Verily, with hardship comes ease." Life will have challenges, but with faith and perseverance, we can overcome them and emerge stronger. The Prophet's guidance. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, set the perfect example of striving for success. Here are some hadiths, sayings, that illuminate the path. The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer, although there is good in both. This hadith emphasizes the importance of developing our strength, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Whoever seeks knowledge, Allah eases for him the way to Jannah, paradise. Education is a cornerstone of success, allowing us to contribute positively to society and grow closer to Allah. Building the foundations of success. Tawakkul, trust in Allah. Place your trust in Allah as the ultimate source of success. Work hard, but understand that the outcome is ultimately in His hands. This frees us from anxiety and allows us to focus on our efforts. Ikhlas, sincerity. Dedicate your actions to Allah alone. Seek His pleasure in your endeavors, and strive for purity of intention. This inner compass will keep you motivated on the right path. Dua, supplication. Constantly seek Allah's guidance and blessings through prayer. Supplication is a powerful tool to connect with the divine and find strength in challenging times. The power of good character. The Prophet emphasized good character as a key to success. Develop qualities like sabr, patient. Success often takes time and effort. Cultivate patience to overcome obstacles and stay focused on your goals. Shukr, gratitude. Be grateful for Allah's blessings, big or small. This fosters a positive outlook and fuels your motivation. Truthfulness. Build trust and respect with honesty in your words and deeds. This is essential for success in any field. Applying Islamic principles in daily life. Now, let's explore how these principles can be applied in specific areas. Education. Seek knowledge with diligence, respecting your teachers and parents. Aim for excellence, but remember that true learning goes beyond grades. Work. Approach your work with dedication and integrity, considering it an act of worship. Maintain good relationships with colleagues and contribute positively to the workplace. Community. Be a source of good for your community. Volunteer your time, help those in need, and promote peace and understanding. Seeking knowledge throughout life. Success is a continuous journey, not a destination. Keep seeking knowledge throughout your life, from Islamic scholarship to professional development. The Prophet said, "Seek knowledge from the cradle to the grave." The importance of balance. Remember to balance your worldly pursuits with your spiritual growth. Dedicate time for prayer, Quran recitation, and acts of charity. This balance will bring true contentment and fulfillment. Stories of success from Islamic history. History is filled with inspiring examples of Muslims achieving extraordinary things. We can learn from figures like Imam Bukhari, a renowned scholar who dedicated his life to compiling authentic hadiths. Ibn Sina, Avicenna, a physician and philosopher who made significant contributions to medicine and science.